Hinds County Supervisor Tony Smith now firing back in an argument over whether the Mississippi Supreme Court should expedite the briefing process in David Archie's election challenge. Smith's lawyer saying today the briefing schedule should remain on the standard track and that the case should be decided on its merits. The Hinds County judge ruled in favor of Archie and ordered a special election. That election in the District 2 supervisor's race is on hold now until the legal battle is resolved. Smith's lawyer argued the judge's ruling had multiple errors. Archie's team wants this latest motion tossed, and you can see a complete breakdown of the latest response on WLBT.com.